Hello, this is going to be a video on how to use the new Talkback system for the worship leaders. So, very important. You've got the black microphone. You have to use the black microphone if you want to be able to use the Talkback system. And you've got this remote down here. So, this remote connects to some other stuff. Doesn't matter. What matters is the two buttons on it. So, come here. You've got A and you've got B. So, A is going to be talking to the congregation. So, if I talk into the mic, it comes to the congregation. Here, when you hit the B, so you can't really see it. Yeah. Now you're talking to the band. So if you talk, or if I talk, you won't hear me, and it's going into the inners. So that's that. Very, very easy, very simple. An important note: when you are talking in this, it's very important that when you are talking into it, you actually stop talking when you hit the switch. Because if you don't, there'll be a pop through the system. Now it's not as easy to hear because I'm recording a video. But it's the congregation will hear it, the band will hear it. So when you want to switch over to talking to the band, you just need to stop talking for like half a second, not even. And you can do it in between it and it works very well. So that is how you use the new Talkback system.